Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Payoneer for receiving dropshipping payments. My user review. Payoneer for receiving dropshipping payments is a service that allows dropshippers to receive payments from various marketplaces and platforms in a consolidated manner. It's targeted primarily at e-commerce entrepreneurs, particularly those operating internationally, who need a streamlined way to manage their incoming funds. Key features include multi-currency accounts, integrations with popular platforms like Shopify and Amazon, and the ability to withdraw funds to your local bank account. Their website provides details on the various pricing plans and supported currencies. Payoneer promotes its service by emphasizing ease of use, transparent pricing, and quick access to your earnings. They highlight their global reach, enabling dropshippers to sell to customers worldwide without worrying about complex international payment processing. While they don't advertise specific no hidden fees or no contracts guarantees, their pricing structure is clearly laid out on their website. You can check availability and supported currencies directly on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Payoneer for receiving dropshipping payments. Setting up my account was fairly straightforward. I connected my Shopify store and Amazon seller account, and within a couple of days, my Payoneer account was verified and ready to go. Navigating the interface is pretty intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays all my transactions, account balances in different currencies, and available withdrawal options. For example, I recently received a payment from a customer in Europe, and the funds were automatically converted to USD and reflected in my Payoneer balance. I then easily withdrew the funds to my local bank account. The speed of transactions has been generally good, with funds typically appearing in my Payoneer account within a day or two of the sale. I did have a quick question about withdrawing funds to a specific bank account, and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to track payments and manage my finances. The standout feature for me was definitely the seamless integration with my existing e-commerce platforms. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, although the website is mobile-friendly. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings related to currency conversion. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Payoneer for receiving my dropshipping payments. That's my overview of Payoneer for receiving dropshipping payments. My user review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.